Health benefits of holy basil. Also called as the queen of herbs, tulsi or basil leaves are endowed with amazing health benefits. Incidentally, tulsi is widely used in Indian households and temples for worship, which bears testimony to its incredible advantages. These miraculous leaves have some matchless medical qualities and can help prevent as well as cure several illness and health issues. Chewing even a few leaves of tulsi on a regular basis can help maintain good health. Tulsi can be called a holistic plant as each of its parts are unique and special, having been endowed with great medical qualities. Tulsi leaves, shoot, flowers and roots all have special medicinal properties. Therefore, it is advisable that every household plants tulsi in their front or backyard as appropriate. Let us look at some of the surprising health benefits of eating tulsi leaves. Cures fever. During fever, depend on tulsi for fast cure. Tulsi extract can be taken orally to fight fever. It can be consumed in isolation or with other medicines. Take 1 or 2 ounces of tulsi juice 2 or 3 times a day and its antipyretic properties can bring down fever. Fights common cold. During an attack of cold and flu, chew a few tulsi leaves on an empty stomach and you will find a comforting relief from nasal and chest congestion. The extract of tulsi can also be mixed with camphor and applied on the chest for achieving a comfortable breath. Cures sore throat. Few medicines are as effective as tulsi for sore throat. During acute sore throat conditions, boil a few tulsi leaves in water and use for gargling and drinking. Relieves headache. Headache is a very common problem, especially during changing climates. Make a paste of tulsi leaves and sandalwood and apply over the affected area. The cooling effect shall relieve your headache. Cures sore eyes. Black tulsi leaves are good for curing eye diseases like sore eyes. Drop a few drops of black tulsi leaves into your eyes and get cured from sore eyes. Fights bad breath. For bad breath and all related diseases, tulsi is an excellent medicine. Make a paste of dried and powdered tulsi leaves and mustard oil. Massage the paste over your gums for relief. This can also be used like toothpaste. Fights skin disorders. Tulsi paste can be applied on the skin to remedy a variety of skin problems including leukoderma. Cures insect bites. For insect bites, make a paste of the tulsi root and apply on the area where the insect bite and stings are found. Helps if you have kidney stones. Tulsi offers an excellent and proven remedy for kidney stones. For all kinds of renal stones, prepare a mixture of basil leaves and honey and take regularly. This can dissolve the stones and expel them through the urinary tract. Alleviates stress. Stress is one of the most prominent problems of people. Consume about 12 tulsi leaves regularly, which can work as an antidepressant.